Hi, everyone. It's Mr. Hoffman. And this week we're going to be going over section analysis, and we're going to be diving into that more. And this is sort of the natural next step of what we've been talking about with pop song structure. So, just some review, just to make sure that you've got this in your brains. Sections are distinct segments of music made up of several phrases, and a phrase is a musical idea with a clear beginning and ending. A word that we use to describe the way we organize music is its form. We're going to skip that little bit that says number 4. That's from an old assignment. And also a reminder that transitions between sections are usually marked by the appearance of new or different instruments, changes in volume, or new musical ideas. So this is actually going to come up quite a bit this week. The parts of a pop song, again, just to review, the intro is the beginning of a song. It is usually, but not always, just instruments, and not all songs have one. The verse is a repeated section of the song where the music usually stays the same, but the lyrics might change each time. The lyrics are the words. A new section that I'm introducing this week is the pre-chorus. This is a transition section between a verse and a chorus, and it usually has music and lyrics that repeat each time. But for reasons that I think will become clear when you listen, or if you hear it and it's repeating every time, but you're noticing that it goes more with the verse than with the chorus, then you've found a pre-chorus. That's that transition section. When we get into the chorus proper, that is a repeated section of the song, which is usually the most memorable part, the part that you'll remember the most. And the music and the lyrics will generally stay the same each time. The bridge is a unique section that connects the final two choruses, and it is different musically and lyrically from the verses and choruses. And the outro is like the intro, but at the end. It usually, but not always, has just instruments, and not all songs have one. A typical song structure goes intro, verse one, and if there's a pre-chorus, it'll usually be tacked on to the end of verse one. Again, it goes more with verse one than with the chorus for musical reasons, but for lyrical reasons, it is kind of its own thing. That's a transition between verse and chorus. So verse one and pre-chorus, then the chorus, verse two and pre-chorus, then the chorus, a bridge, the final chorus, and an outro. This is not universal, but this is a formula that many songs follow, including the song that I am doing for my example this week, All of Me. All of Me starts with an intro, then verse one, pre chorus, chorus, verse two, pre chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus, outro. So, what you are going to do with this section analysis is you are going to start by listing each section. You're going to start by listing each section. In this case, I had intro, verse one, pre-chorus, chorus, verse two, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus, outro. And with each of those sections, you're going to assign each of them a letter. If you have an intro, you're going to assign it the letter I. If you have a verse, you're going to assign it the letter A. If for a pre-chorus, you're going to assign it the letter P. For chorus, you're going to assign it the letter B. And for bridge, you're going to assign it the letter C. I know it makes more sense to do B, but B is already taken because it's the chorus. So we're going to go with C. And then an outro is going to be O. So I have that here. I'll add a key for you before I post the video. And you're just going to identify each section in order. And then you're going to, in the bubble, you're going to put that letter label. Again, intros I versus A, pre-chorus is P, chorus is B, and bridge is C, outro is O. And you are going to put that in the bubble. You're then going to look up the lyrics, and you're going to type the first line of that section into the box here, and then you're going to add the instruments. So what does that look like for All of Me? Well, the intro has no words and it's piano only. Verse 1 starts with, "What would I do without your smart mouth?" And then it has piano and lead vocal as instruments. Pre-chorus starts with, "My head's underwater." I would sing it, but I'm no John Legend. And the instruments are still just piano and lead vocal. It's a very simple song. The chorus starts with the words, "'Cause all of me loves all of you." And again, it's just piano and lead vocal. Verse 2 starts with, "How many times do I have to tell you?" And the instruments are just piano and lead vocal. Pre-chorus, "My head's underwater," piano, lead vocal. The good thing about this is that for those sections where the words repeat, you can kind of copy and paste some of that and then just fill in the instruments if they change, or change the instruments if they change. This second chorus is very interesting because it's the same words, of course, "'Cause all of me loves all of you." But in addition to the piano and lead vocal, there's now some vocal harmonies. Then we move to the bridge, "Give me all of you, cards on the table." Chorus, "'Cause all of me loves all of you." Piano, lead vocal, more vocal harmonies than before. And the outro brings it back to just piano and lead vocal. And the words are, "I give you all of me." So again, that's just sort of an idea of what the section analysis is all about. You're going to find the section, you're going to give it a label, and you're going to type in the lyrics and the instruments. And just even the act of just getting this basic information, it really gives you an opportunity to really like think about the song and think about what you're hearing on a section by section basis. Hi everyone, I'm going to jump in right here. When I recorded this video just a little bit ago, I forgot to mention something super important, so I'm going to interrupt myself now. When you are looking up the lyrics and you're also trying to identify the sections, there's a resource that is really, really helpful that I want you all to know about. It's called Genius.com. And what this website does is, well, it has a lot of different things on it, but it really importantly, if you just Google All of Me lyrics, or whatever your song title is, if you just Google the song title and then the word lyrics, usually it'll be like the first or second result that comes up here. You can see A to Z lyrics is one of them, one of the first ones, but then Genius will usually be the first or the second one. And if you click on that, it actually has all of the lyrics broken down by section. It has that first verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus. It says that "'Cause I give you all of me" is the post-chorus, but I'm just going to lump that in with the chorus. And then, verse 2, it breaks it all down there, gives you all of the lyrics, gives you a lot of other really good information about the song. But the most important one that you need to know is that it actually has the lyrics broken down by section. So you should all know about that, and I highly encourage you to Google your song title and then lyrics and click on the result that says Genius.com, and it will take you to it, and then you will be able to see all of the lyrics broken down by section. Thanks. Now back to the rest of the video. If you have any questions, please private comment. Come to Google Classroom, not Google Classroom, come to Office Hours. The link is posted on my Google Classroom. It is from 1 to 2 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on Wednesdays. Looking forward to seeing what you all do. Thank you. Have a great rest of your week. Have a great rest of your day, and happy Hanukkah if you are celebrating. Bye.